TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. 12 noon Eastern time, middle of the trading day, as we check in the markets, and quite a reversal in the NASDAQ. We'll jump around, but we got the Dow up 207 points, trading 25,251. S&P is currently positive by 15, trading at 28.22, and the NASDAQ positive by 24, just 0.3% after being pretty decently higher. Even as we start things off with the S&P, I have it up here, highs at 28.31, pulling back to about 28.24. Let's jump over the Nadex platform, dive into some of the futures markets. Jump right to the S&P since we took a look at that already. S&P's highs made about 10:30 in the morning, 28.30, about 7 points off that level. NASDAQ 100. So here's where we see somewhat of a turnaround. NASDAQ 100 up to 74.89. NASDAQ reaching an intraday all-time high today. NASDAQ 100 going from 74.89 now down to 74.34. You're talking about 55 points in the span of about an hour and a half. So nothing to dismiss there for sure. Jumping to the Dow. Dow almost at all-time highs. Almost at intraday highs. 25,236, highs of about 15 points higher than that level. Crude oil. So we get to some of the commodities. Crude, quite an acceleration to the upside. This morning, overnight, we're trading about 67, 69. We come up in just a hair above $69. 69.04 being the high today before pulling back a bit. 68.80 currently in crude. And gold, volatility in both directions as well. Almost up to 1230. Pulling back a bit, gold 1224, and Bitcoin hanging above 8,000, spiked early in the session to about 83.55, still 81.87 currently for Bitcoin. Stay tuned. We have our man Basil Chapman coming up right now, the Tiger Technicians Hour. Then, of course, our man Steve Rhodes, Dave White, Larry Pesavento filling in for Tom at 3 o'clock, David White filling in for Tom at 4 o'clock as Tom is at the Traders Expo in Chicago. Should be an interesting day in the market. Stay tuned. Basil right now. Thanks, folks.